How to withdraw from Binance to bank. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck. In today's video I will show you how to withdraw to a bank account on Binance, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to withdraw to your bank account on Binance, launch the Binance app and log into your account. Then you have to tap on the wallet icon, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the wallet icon, select the currency that you want to withdraw to. So in this case, I will just select USD. And as I do that, enter the amount of money that you wish to withdraw to your bank. Now keep in mind that to do this, you must have first linked your bank account. So tap on withdraw, and here you'll find the option called bank transfer. If you have not linked it as well, then you can just select bank transfer, and when you select continue, it will ask you for a confirmation of your bank account details. So you have to simply select on which bank you want to transfer and then tap on the continue button to do so. And that's all it takes to withdraw money to your bank account on Binance. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.